Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you an easy recipe for smashed potatoes. To start, I am going to be using 2 pounds of baby red potatoes. You could use russet potatoes, or if you're using larger potatoes, just cut them into large chunks. It all works. So now I'm going to start cooking these. Here I have 1.5 quarts of cold water. I'm going to add my cleaned and rinsed potatoes. And I'm going to go ahead and turn on the heat. I want to start bringing that up to a boil. So now I'm going to add 1 mashed clove of garlic right into my water. And I'm also going to be adding 1 tablespoon or maybe 1.5 tablespoons of salt. You want to make sure you salt the water. So now I'm going to bring that up to a boil. And then I'm going to cover with a lid and let it cook or boil for about 20 to 25 minutes or until fork tender. And if you want them even mushier, then let them go longer. You want to just achieve the texture that you like for your potato. So I'm going to drain the water and I'm going to turn the heat on low. This will help me melt my butter. If your butter is already softened or melted, then you don't need to leave the heat on. So now that that is in the pan, I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of heavy cream. You could use something like whole milk if you like, or half and half. I'm going to add pepper and salt to taste. And now I'm going to continue melting the butter, and once it has melted, I'm going to start smashing my potatoes with the back of my wooden spoon. You could definitely use a potato masher, but I find just using a spoon and stirring it vigorously really creates a creamy yet chunky texture to these potatoes. Now at this point your potatoes are done and ready to serve, but I like to add fresh herbs, so I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley and 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped chives. You could add dill to these. There are so many things that you can add to this to make it a tasty, chunky potato. So I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.